Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select your nationality in the booking app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the booking app, and here it opens up in the search menu where we can look for accommodations. From here we have to go into the profile menu and then tap on manage your account, then on personal details, and here if you scroll down at the very bottom we find nationality. We can tap on this, and here we can search for our country in the top row, and after we found it we can just select it and then tap on save. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.